Freight Train, an old folk blues that Elizabeth Cotton kind of made famous. Some say she wrote it, or some say it's from the 1800s, but no matter. I heard Jim and Jesse do this on YouTube, and I thought it'd make a fine banjo solo. Here, in this arrangement, again, the tab's going to be shown at the end of this video, so hang on. I got to explain a few things. This arrangement involves what's called the Osborne-Dillard roll. Sonny Osborne, Doug Dillard used it back in the 50s or early 60s. They say Sonny did it first, whatever. He recorded it in a tune called Old Hickory way back when. But anyway, it involves, and I don't know if Earl Scruggs ever did this. It's not in his book. This is first, second, first, fifth. That's the roll. Now at the 5th fret, and you go down regular C. Here comes again. Hold it. So, how many Osborne-Dillard rolls are there? 1, first measure. 1, 2, 5th measure. There's 2 there. 2 in the first measure, 2 in the 5th. I drop my thumb down a lot to the 2nd string. So practice that if you like to use index on the 2nd string. That's great. As a matter of fact, practicing these a lot, like consecutively, is very important. But I used to use my thumb, probably from Foggy Mountain Breakdown, right? Where the thumb came down, I somehow when I first few years of playing banjo, I just kept using that thumb a lot more on the 2nd string. So that's why I do this roll like that. But if you use index on the 2nd string, great. Okay, nothing very new here. There's a slide in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6th measure, the 2-5 slide on the 4th string. Very common. Leads back to the C. Okay, remember, I should mention this. I've got a capo on the 2nd fret. I did it this way because I sing it in that key. It's a key of D, really. Playing out a C position, 2nd fret, makes it a D in the key of D. So our positions are, chord positions are C, the F, and the G is pretty much open, except for a 3rd fret, 2nd string, here and there. And then there's another slide on the common 2 to 3 slide on the 3rd string. One chord that's an off chord. Some people say that. What's the off chord? Well, you see the one chord is C. I'm talking from the capo. C, the 4 is the F position, formation, and the 5 is the G. We have a E chord in this song. 1st fret, 3rd string. Cool, right? Because the song goes, freight train going so fast. Freight train going so fast. Here it comes. Don't you tell me, don't tell me what. Back to the 4 chord. So that's a 3 major chord, the E. E again from the capo. E position, formation. Rolling on. So you'll see that in the tab. Back to the 4. That is, what have I got? A hammer on the 2nd string, 1st to 3rd fret. I'm at the F formation, and I'm gonna take my pinky off the 1st string. Right? It's the 4th line of the tab, last measure, you'll see that. Back to C, right? So, that's a hammer. The other things are slides. 2 to 5 on the 4th string. 2 to 3 on the 3rd string. And the hammer, the one we just did against an F chord. So you've got an index 2nd string 1st fret. You're going to hammer with the pinky. Usually you're used to hammering that with the ring finger. And because I took it off the 1st string, that's the pinky. It's close to the 2nd, right? So it's more easy to do that with the pinky. Just move it over. You're going to hammer it on the 2nd. And I believe that's all the tricks. Slides, hammers, the pull-off, tag lick at the end. I've got it as an alternate or an optional tag lick. I got it on the video. It's a nice C tag lick. There's a pull-off here, quick one on the 1st string, 2nd fret to open. Got it? Let's listen to the video. You can slow the video down on YouTube to, half or a quarter speed. If you have trouble with that tag lick, and you'll hear how that pull-off works against the next note. Some people play them as triplets. I've got it marked here on the tab as the pull-off is 2/16. 2/16 notes, and then the next note is an 8th note. But if you get it in your head, remember now, your mind has a lot to do with how you play, obviously. It's not just fingers and muscle memory. If you have stuff in your mind, how you've heard it so much, your mind already knows what it's supposed to sound like. It's just a matter of directing your fingers to do that, which takes slow practice at first, right? All right, have fun with this one. Freight train. Oh, yeah.